Meanwhile, in a setback to the Congress during the peak of election campaigning in Haryana, former two-time MLA from Rai constituency Jai Tirath Dahiya on Monday has resigned from the party. In fact, he was considered as a close aide of former CM Bhupinder Singh Hooda. Dahiya has accused Hooda of betraying and also insulting him. Dahiya has also been annoyed with Hooda ever since the declaration of tickets as well. Notably, the Congress has fielded Jai Bhagwan Antil from the Rai Assembly constituency this time. The former MLA also raised questions on Congress leaders who have been given ticket from other assembly constituencies as well. Amid the rumours of infighting within Haryana Congress between Randeep Surjewala and also Kumari Selja over the chief ministerial phase, Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera has now said that everyone has their own aspirations, but there is no confusion within the party. He also further said that the decision on the chief ministerial phase will be taken by the party high command based on the party leader's opinion.
हर पार्टी में हर व्यक्ति को अपनी महत्वाकांक्षा के बारे में चर्चा करने की पूरी आजादी, इसमें विवाद तो कहीं है नहीं। हमारे यहां एक प्रक्रिया बड़ी स्पष्ट है। एक विधायक दल की बैठक होती है, विधायक दल चर्चा करता है, अपनी अनुशंसा वो केंद्रीय नेतृत्व को अवगत कराता है अपनी अनुशंसा से, और उसके बाद केंद्रीय नेतृत्व उस पर निर्णय लेता है। देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन, और कोई कंफ्यूजन की कोई स्थान भी नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी अगर इसी उम्मीद पर बैठी है कि हमारे यहां कुछ कंफ्यूजन है इसलिए उनको कुछ मिल जाए, तो उनको कहिए दूर दूर तक कोई उम्मीद नहीं रखें।
This is very major setback for the Congress party when their own staunch stalwarts were resigning from the party and leveling the allegations that corruption is happening while distributing the tickets in the Congress party. Those are the very big allegations, and those who were earlier two-time MLA, and he was with Bhupinder Singh Hooda since years, and in fact his family is also basically associated with the Congress party. He himself filed the resignation, and now Dahiya is alleging that there was a corruption happened in the Congress party while distributing the tickets, and that is the reason his ticket has been denied. And in fact he wanted to contest from the Rai constituency, from where he was two-time MLA also, and he also mentioned that Bhupinder Singh Hooda has ensured him about the ticket also, but even when the list has come out, his name was not in the list. So that was the disappointing part of that entire episode. But yes, he said that corruption is happening, and that is the reason the image of the Congress party has been completely tarnished, and the reason is that he was resigning from the party. And he also spread the message among the supporters that not to support and vote for the Congress party in this assembly election.